YouTube? It's She Slated, and I'm back with a video or whatever. So today in this video, we will be making clip-in hair extensions. I will be using hair from my hair collection. This hasn't dropped yet, so y'all get a sneak peek. But I'm testing this hair out. I got a 16 and an 18-inch raw Indian wavy hair extensions. So I believe this is the 18-inch. So we'll be using hair, baby. Hot glue gun, and I got that good one. Girl, y'all can't even see that smoke, but it's smoke coming from it. Yes, this is the good one. It's the big one. And these glue sticks are Gorilla Glue sticks. So you know that glue is going to be strong, baby. Because we want them to last. And I ain't got time to be fooling around with that little hot glue gun because it dries too quick and it's just not the move. So here we go. And I will be using medium and large. Oh, shoot. I will be using medium and large clips. Okay. I'm dropping stuff, but y'all see it. So I'm probably going to use the medium majority in the back row and my top row, of course. And I'm using the large ones for the longer pieces. This is my first time making hair clip-ins. So y'all bear with me, and I will be doubling my width because, baby, we need it thick, and I need 2 bundles up in there. Y'all see my hair is short. I cut it, and also I did a protein treatment, which is the best thing to do for natural hair, and especially if you'll be wearing majority of your hair out for like clip-ins, micro links, hairstyles like that, where all or majority of your hair is left out, and then you have tracks in between. And I use Design Essentials STS Protein Smoothing Treatment. So yes, baby, the silk purse gonna last. The silk purse is nice, and I'm just loving it. So I trim my ends and I cut it, even around, get some of them ends off. And I am going to be doing the side part, but that's neither there or there. I don't know where my other clip at. I'm going to use what I got. We're going to start in this back row. Okay. I know I have my comb on my lap. So, okay. I should. I got a phone call, so I deleted the video. I already cut my first track. It's gonna fit in this space. I made sure not to go too close to my edges because we want it to look real, remember? Okay, so I'm gonna double them. My glue gun all nice and hot. Oh, but make sure you get it on there. Okay. I might have done too much. We got on the other side. Y'all see that mess? Okay. And you want to slide it down a little bit. From doing hair, I learned you don't want to put the tracks right on top of each other. That's how you get that bulkiness. Even when I sew, I make sure one track is underneath. Okay. Here we go. Smooth that out, obviously. Of course, it was cool. Not just touching really hot glue. So I'm going to make sure that my clip is closed. close. This is a medium size one. So on here, I'm just going to glue 2 of them on there. Making sure the whole thing is covered. I feel like I want to put it in between them. Smooth it out because the glue is a little thick. Okay. I'm going to stop touching it at this point. This needs to be right here. And then I got extra glue guns, glue sticks. It feels so good to be able to find them. Now that one was hot. That got on me, y'all. That one was hot. I feel like you should want them open. I'm going to try one with them being open too. And also, after I make this next one, yeah, because I'm getting it all up in between. So look at hot mess. But I'm going to still use them though. Okay. So I'll change my comb. Really, I don't want to use that. I want to use my clip. I hope I ain't go up too high. Okay. Clip this out the way. So I think I need to make another smaller one. I've been thinking it the whole time. Because this has become a 3 clip. Yeah. They go better when you have them open. So I'm going to open my clips. Yeah, that one went on real good. And since the tip of the hot glue gun is still hot, you know, you can just touch it with it. Okay. And I need to cut this. Okay. Yeah, it's best to leave the clips open. Because I can see the glue. You know how I just made a mess on my last one? Yeah, the glue is seeping right on through there. So let's get it in good middle. Good middle. I did see Tierra J. She left hers closed, but also when she glued them, she put the clip next to the hair and then measured out how much glue she needed because she kept it there. And it makes sense because I was also doing whatever I wanted to do on that part too. Let me just cut some of this. Okay. But y'all see how that's coming through? So let me leave it alone. That's what I need to do. Leave it. Everybody wants to call me, so I turned off my cellular data. So hopefully no calls can come through. But I made one off the camera. Ooh, because I needed another small one. Okay, so for the rest of the video, I'm going to let y'all look at my workstation. And as you can see, Tierra J, girl. I got my hot comb towel too, sis. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the rest of them sped up so I can save some memory. And I don't got to worry about this angle because this angle is freaking trash.